Sunstone by SHANNON version B in size 30 by 48 cm. Rounds Special Treatment version 3 now adds apple crystals that we have placed on all of the yellow areas. So you can sprinkle it in the background right over here, as well as in the middle of the face of the sun. So sprinkle it in those areas, in the yellow areas, and it will give you this glistening effect. Once again, for Sunstone version B, Special Treatment version 3, we have violet pearls for these areas. We have tree crystals for those areas right over there. And finally, these ones are apple crystals.